Do you ever feel anything we understand? Here and there, you have no there till the hell of you. Within you, you just gotta deny.
Oh, here comes the plane. Holy crap.
Connor, that's too far.
That must be a good view.
Yeah, same. I want to like fly and then be fireworks. Yeah, okay.
Kills on you.
No, fireworks don't go near as high as a plane. Are you kidding me? Just on the pretty awesome. Oh yeah.
It's a great end to a great day, eh guys?
Oh yeah. Good Christmas. Very good Christmas.
It'd be cool if they could have like greatest ending to the day is gonna be taking these three dogs.
Just doing what?
Dogs.
Yeah, we're playing darts.
I actually got 2 bullseyes.
Not on the red
When you're trying to aim.
and the green.
No blue.
No blue.
Let's go with the plane going.
The helicopter gets
Yeah.
What do you think those guys can go on the plane?
Fly, fly, fly!
Probably like circle it.
Circle it, circle it.
Yeah, like right beside you.
You're not that low to the ground. There's Grandpa. Grandpa in the video.
With a big tree on your head.
Down in front.
Yeah, you in the front row. Kids can't see.
Jesus. Oh yeah. I wonder what it's like underneath them. Well, bam!
I like that.
Awesome!
That was totally awesome.
Okay, Christmas 2010.